Well,
We
our
have bikes.
yeah, they come with our room.
Yeah.
Brand new bikes
Yeah.
with a lock. We're gonna make our way to the beach. And a Merry Christmas to you too.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. This
Yeah.
is a good one.
This is
Yeah.
the north side of Thoddoo Island.
Yeah.
And back over here, there were a watermelon and cucumber fields. And here,
Yeah.
looks like they're preparing to plant a new field. And rows of coconut palms. Olga saw a parrot.
Yeah.
And we're riding bicycle. It's a lot of fun. Yep, I'm filming one-handed while I ride the bicycle. And they say you never forget. They say you never forget. But I also don't remember the crashes. I'm going a little faster than you, so if you could speed up a bit. I think it's only because my legs are longer.
Your legs are longer.
Left side. A parrot? Cool. Well, this is fun. We had the most fun in Thailand riding bicycle. Where else did we ride bicycle? Florida.
Well, I used to really ride bike.
Yeah, well, you're Dutch.
Well, that's also
Three-wheeler coming. Okay. Hi, guys. And this is the farming area on to the side. Very nice. Those are cucumbers, I think. Hanging. They grow them up and across.
If they did that with watermelon, that wouldn't be good.
I think they can, though.
Did the plant tops hang down?
Well, maybe they put a mesh so they
Yeah.
put a mesh up top and the watermelons can sit on the mesh. Yeah. I've seen them grow in the desert where you think there's nothing and they just grow beautifully. Yep. Sunshine and water, huh?
It's
Little bit of nutrients.
this is so honest to God. I mean, it's just a great island. What a beautiful place.
So we were commenting about the cost of the accommodations. I think people coming here, their major expense is the airfare, but the cost of the accommodations, they add service fees and taxes and this and that, amounting to almost maybe more than 30% of the cost of the room. So that is something to calculate. Yep, I'm gonna have to shut her down because we're in the bumpy road. Where are we going now?
That way and left. So
Okay.
we're gonna do the, is that the east side of the island?
No, that's the west side and then south.
Okay.
Are we going to try to complete the loop?
Yeah, if that's even possible, because I don't know that.
Okay.
So we can see how far we get.
Very good. The only truck on the island just passed us. I love Thoddoo. Left side driving. Okay. We'll go to the water, then turn. I like this little area. Every now and then you hit a soft spot on the sand. We eat falafels every day in Jordan. The gardens are to the right and to the left. You can also very easily just walk here. Hi guys. The distances are just a kilometer or two. Okay. Yep. Uh-oh, two-way traffic. Hi. Hi, guys. Okay, I can see the water.
Yeah, I went snorkeling here today.
Mm-hmm.
This is the road.
We're gonna make a left turn. Yep. Thoddoo is part of the Alif atoll, and it has a population of approximately 2,000 people. We had fresh papaya for breakfast. I'm gonna ask for watermelon tomorrow. I saw them growing yesterday. Mm-hmm. We can explore if you like. Oh, you've been out there.
Yeah, but I didn't know about the pathway.
Mm-hmm.
That might be my next week.
Okay. Well, this is part of the fun. If you saw our last video, Olga went and ran around the island. And she doesn't do that all the time, but quite often she goes out for a run early. And then she has an idea of where to take me. And here we are. Uh-oh, I've got to stop. Hi, kids. We got goats. Huh? And they're eating what looks like palm leaves. Let me park my bike and we'll see if I can visit a little. Hi. Who are you, huh? Meh. And there's you. That's the goatee. Hi. He's got a stripe. Hi, kid. Huh? Hi. Yeah. A white one. Some babies back down here. Laying down, they almost look like dogs. Yep. Mm-hmm. And a few more over here. Also a couple babies. And a big. Are you a mama? Huh? Hi. Well, you're inquisitive, aren't you? Huh? Hi. Hmm? There go the kids. They were from Mali. We fed the goats together. It's Easter. Nope, it's Christmas Sunday. Nope, it's not Sunday. December 25th? Thursday. Christmas in the Maldives.
I wanted to try these chairs out because they look very uncomfortable.
Yeah?
And they're just not as comfortable as I thought they would be.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Well, it's just a little bit low to the ground for me.
The netting part is okay, but the edges, oh my god.
Uh-huh. That part's okay for me. I would need the little one a little higher up. But it was fun. Now back to the serious work of bicycling. Had to stop for this one.
But I did do a handstand over there.
Uh-huh. He is just meters from the beach. But he must have some good roots down. And have some tolerance.
Oh, I want to see you. I want you to actually walk over there. It's only halfway in the ground.
And meters from the beach, I mean basically in the surf. Still growing happily. And it's got a long life ahead of it. We made it back down to the port. I love Thoddoo, and Thoddoo loves you. Huh?
I used to make watermelon bikinis, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're there.
Well,
Grow watermelons here.
oh, I see. All the letters are like watermelons because they grow them here.
Yeah.
So, something I had put in one of the videos was there was one ATM here.
Okay.
And in the couple days we've been here, the bank has changed and it's gone from a red sign to a green sign.
Really? That's
Yeah.
amazing.
So I will note that in the next video.
I'm still filming. Here we go. It's my turn to hold the camera and watch the show. Hey, I'm still going. It is. Oh my God! And the colors. Oh, the colors of the ocean. It is really wow. Wow! 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 Yeah, I hear you, parrot. You are. Okay. Overtake me again. All right. And why not? This is super relaxed. I haven't seen a car yet. I don't know that there are any. Well, actually, that's not true. I saw one that was sort of wrapped up and covered. Left-hand traffic, but since there's no traffic, we can do whatever we want. Yeah. Oh, that's where the seagrasses are, Dee. That was seagrasses. We'll have a look.
Olga said this is where the seagrasses are.
You have turtles. Of course you have turtles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That looks very healthy. Wow. Quite different than just a quarter mile down the way. The breakers are way out there. Uh-huh.
like to come here this afternoon
Mm-hmm.
and get some sun. Okay, this is where I'll go.
Okay. It's very nice, isn't it?
Walk around and have a look-see at the
Uh-huh.
turtles. But there's one right there. I can see it.
Mm-hmm.
And it will come up again. You know. Oh, that's there. Good. Up. Yeah, that's,
Your eagle eyes catch it.
yeah, I can see. Yeah. Nice, huh? Yeah.
I came up for a breath earlier with a mouthful of salt water. That was fast.
Well, I wouldn't call it fast.
See you next time.